Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. We're looking up to mostly sunny skies this morning. We're going to continue to see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies throughout the remainder of the day today. We will see a slight chance of a few pop-up showers or thunderstorms like what we have been seeing over the last several days, that potential right along that sea breeze boundary that moves through the Delmarva as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, you can see pretty benign conditions this morning. High pressure well off the Atlantic seaboard, and overall pretty quiet conditions this morning along the east coast of the United States. And again, we're going to see a very hot and humid day once again for us, with temperatures reaching the low 90s, upper 80s to low 90s throughout the Delmarva Peninsula, and we'll see those heat index values right around 100 degrees as we go through that late morning and into the afternoon time period. Taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see very little cloudiness over the Delmarva Peninsula early this morning. A little bit more in the way of upper level cloudiness well off to our northwest that will be making its way into the region as we go into the afternoon hours today, but should see mostly sunny skies this morning, and then just a few clouds developing this afternoon in association with these upper level clouds that move through the area, and also a sea breeze boundary that will produce more cumulus clouds at the low levels of the atmosphere later this afternoon. So taking a look at our short-term high-resolution model this morning, you can see as we go through the day today, this is not really putting out much in the way of any kind of shower or thunderstorm activity along the Delmarva coast until later this evening into the overnight hours. We'll see the chance of a few showers potentially skirting the area. Best chance for those showers will likely be well off to the north into Delaware, but even though this model is not putting out the potential of seeing any shower or thunderstorms this afternoon, I still think we run the slight risk along that sea breeze boundary as it moves through the area during the late morning and afternoon hours today. Currently out there, just a few clouds at 500 feet, 5 miles of visibility, and our winds out of a south-southwesterly direction at around 5 knots. We see a temperature at 80 degrees already this morning with humidity at 97%. Looking at our short-term forecast for today, you can see those temperatures here at Wallops getting up to around 89 degrees for a daytime high. We'll hit the low 90s for some areas across the Delmarva Peninsula today, but for us, looking like we'll max out right around 89 degrees. Winds out of a south-southwesterly direction for most of the day today, fairly light, only reaching about 7 to 12 knots for their max during the afternoon hours. Looking at the potential for, that pop-up shower or thunderstorm along the sea breeze boundary today that develops, we will see about a 15% chance between the hours of 12 o'clock and 4 o'clock this afternoon. And then we'll see a little bit of a lull in the chances for thunderstorm activity until we get into the evening hours. This evening we'll see a disturbance move through the region. Looks like most of that activity will be off to our north, but about a 15% chance during that time period as well as we go through the hours of about 8 o'clock to midnight tonight. After midnight tonight, we'll see partly cloudy and mild conditions continuing. We'll see an overnight low temperature of 77 degrees. For Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy skies expected. We'll see a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm mainly during the late afternoon and evening hours for Wednesday. Looking for a warm day, high of 92 degrees expected, and then we'll see a overnight low of 75 degrees for Wednesday night. Looks like we'll see a little bit better chance for shower and thunderstorm development during the Wednesday evening time period than what we'll see today and also tomorrow afternoon. Looks like Wednesday night will be our best chance through the next several days of seeing any kind of precipitation. Thursday, expecting partly cloudy and continued warm conditions with a daytime high of 90 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 o'clock for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.